You've probably seen those Hypercharge Pro ads all over Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. They claim this product can bring your phone's battery back to life, charge it way faster, and even prevent you from needing a new phone. There's even a guy in the videos who says he's a former Apple engineer fired for exposing battery draining updates. Here's the catch. He's very likely a deep fake, meaning his face and voice are completely computer generated. No charger can reverse planned obsolescence, speed up your phone's processor, or improve app performance. It also can't change your phone's operating system or memory. These claims are impossible for any charger, no matter how advanced it seems. When you look closer at their website, a lot of red flags pop up. They claim thousands of 5-star reviews and a high Trustpilot score, but these reviews are fake and the product isn't even listed on Trustpilot. They show logos from NBC, Fox, and USA Today, but there are no real articles or coverage. Even the reviewer photos are AI generated, not real people. Some of the product images also look stock or recycled from other tech ads, which is another sign of misleading marketing. At the end of the day, Hypercharge Pro is just a basic quick charge 3.0 charger, something you can buy for less than $10 on Amazon or AliExpress. They're selling it for over $40 under a new name with a lot of hype. It's safe to say this product is overpriced and marketed in a misleading way. It won't magically fix your battery or speed up your phone, and it's definitely not supported by any real Apple engineers. You're essentially paying for marketing, not performance. If you want a reliable charger, stick with trusted brands like Anker or Belkin. Just be careful of fake reviews, deep fake endorsements, and flashy websites promising more than any charger actually can deliver. Always double check claims before buying gadgets that sound too good to be true. They usually are. Thank you.